Hello and welcome in. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio.
This is Preet from Yana's Healing Studio.
And today we are here to talk about one of the most celebrated crystals across the world. What you're looking at the screen is
We have Green Aventurine pendant. We have Green Aventurine tumbles, diya. This is a mushroom massager, and this is a face roller. And we also have bracelets.
and we are going to be talking about how we can go ahead and use all of these for better prosperity, good skin, better luck. When you wear it, what happens to your heart chakra, and what can you do with tumbles when you go ahead and use green aventurine. So let us begin.
So first we'll talk about the Green Aventurine diya.
It is used largely for prosperity spells or prosperity prayers. The kind of oils you can use in this is
You can light it with the ghee, or you can use olive oil, and you can put a drop of prosperity oil. If you don't have any prosperity oil with you, we can help you with that as well, or else you can put a pinch of cinnamon powder in it.
yes, awesome. So you can make yourself some prosperity powder. If you don't have, we can give you. You can put a pinch of cinnamon, and you can use these kind of diyas or multiple diyas. You can make aarti with it. Now we move on to our next product.
We'll talk about the use of Green Aventurine tumbles. You can keep it in your purse, on your altar. um,
You
and
can also keep it around your diyas to empower your crystal prayer. So if you don't want to go ahead and use a green aventurine diya, or you want to go ahead and use green aventurine diya, you can surround the whole diya or your prayer with 5 to 7 green aventurine tumbles. You can do it on Wednesdays and Fridays so that you can attract more prosperity. You can keep it in your pocket if you think you're going through a time that is not very happy or healthy when you're going through a lot of emotional turmoil. You can also use it while you're meditating. You can keep it between your palms. You can meditate with green aventurine tumbles. If you don't know how to meditate with crystals, you can get in touch with us. We will help you with that. And apart from that, you can simply keep it on your work desk, around you, wherever you sleep, to your bedside table. And there are multiple benefits and uses of green aventurine tumbles when you keep it in your wallet, in your purse, when you carry it around. Now let's move on to our next product.
we have Green Aventurine pendant. You can wear it, which will be closer to your heart chakra.
And I would like to mention very specifically that the shape of this particular pendant is a triangle facing downward. Now this shape is particularly celebrated as shape of Shakti, to flow in yin energies inside of you. It opens up your heart, it gives you emotional balance, and it lets the yin energies flow very smoothly inside of you. What more we have here is
Bracelets. It is very convenient to wear it.
you can wear it on your left hand daily, or you can wear it as an ongoing process. A lot of people have benefited when we've given them green aventurine bracelets. They've seen money energies flow in, they've seen emotional balance, and apart from that, it is also having skin benefits. And that's why we have our green aventurine roller and massager here. Now, what we can do is when you apply uh, some kind of healthy oil on your face, you can use the rollers. The bigger side of the roller is for your cheeks and your cheekbones, and the smaller side of the roller is used for under eye and eyebrows and your jaw. You can keep it in refrigerator if you think you have puffy eyes, or you're feeling very tired and your skin needs some rest, or if you want more circulation coming in on your face, you want more warmth. In that case, You can keep your massager in a hot towel and then use it on your skin after you've used or applied any serum or oil. And what we have here is green mushroom massager. Now, this one can be used on face or any other part where you have some kind of pain. You can warm it up in a hot towel, put some oil or balm in the area where you're feeling pain, or you just want a refreshing and you want skin benefits coming in. And you can rub this area with the mushroom massager. Now, the smaller side of the massager can specifically be used to rub or rub gently or little with little pressure, little more pressure than gentle, over areas that are your temple areas when you're going through your migraine or you're going through your sinus and you want lymphatic drainage to happen. In the bigger side of the massager is for you to, massage your cheekbones, and in between the shape that you see between bigger and smaller area, the curve that helps you shape up your jaws. So there are a lot of benefits to this massager also, and you can put in more pressure than the other roller massager. So for now we have these beautiful treats of green aventurine with us right now. If you wanted to know about more or any other items that you wanted for yourself, we can make it available for you. Each one of these are currently under offer and the prices will be given on the group. So we request you to join our Telegram group and get regular offers and benefits. With this, both of us, I, Siddhi, and
I breathe.
are taking your leave. Thank you so very much for being with us today. Thank you.
Thank you.